hear about youth violence almost every day in the news here in Mississippi, but instead of reacting after it happens, why don't we focus on preventing it before it even starts by violence prevention programs? Based on my research, I have learned that youth violence is a growing concern here in Mississippi that needs immediate attention, especially through these prevention programs. Today I will discuss problems related to youth violence, offer solutions, and help you see how much better Mississippi will be if we implement these solutions. Youth violence reduces opportunities in life, harms both mental and physical health, and even can lead to early death. But how this even starts? According to Madeleine Lavelle in the article Influences of the Development of Aggression and Violence, published by Current Opinion in Psychology, there are several family conditions that can contribute to youth violence. For example, children who experience constant yelling, punishment, and lack of emotional support, they are more likely to develop these aggressive behaviors. Children who grow up seeing violence between their family members, they may learn that it is normal or acceptable. Children who do not receive affection or guidance, they struggle with more emotional control, and this can lead to more aggressive behavior as well. Also, on the article by Gregory and Price, Broken Window and Crime in the Development of Challenge Urban Areas, Evidence from Jackson, Mississippi, USA, crime is influenced by neighborhood conditions, especially like vacant or deteriorating houses. Crime tends to increase in neighborhoods where there's more vacant or poorly maintained housing. This condition is signs that crime is acceptable and can lead to encourage more criminal activity. This show that youth violence is not random, and it is connected to environmental and social conditions. The statistics in Mississippi are alarming. According to Sang in the article Violence Behaviors on School Properties among Mississippi and U.S. high school students 2001 to 2021, highlights that youth violence has been a persistent issue here in Mississippi. Mississippi has historically reported higher rates in school violence than any other state. The percentage increased from 8.1 in 2001 to 9.5 in 2021, as on that students reported to be threatened at school properties with a weapon. These behaviors include fighting, weapon carrying, and also threats on school properties. As you can see, violence continues to impact students' safety and learning environments. Since violence is influenced by both environmental and students' behaviors, what can we do to prevent it before it even starts? Mississippi should invest more in programs. Mississippi should invest in more supportive environment programs, because this can help reduce these statistics. According to Madeleine Lavelle in the article Family Influence on the Development of Aggression and Violence, positive family environments can reduce aggressive behaviors through emotional support, consistent discipline, and positive role model. Mississippi can help funding by funding programs such parent education programs. Family counseling can be very helpful to help not normalize violence, and home visiting programs with professionals that can guide and support parents so children can have a better environment. According to the article Centers of Disease Control and Prevention by CDC.org, prevention youth violence requires teaching kids skills and provide support through programs such as social emotional learning programs in school can teach them to handle stress better, manage emotions, and resolve conflicts more peacefully. After school and youth development programs can provide a safe space, tutoring, sports, and activities during high risk hours that can help reduce this. According to the article, Centers of Disease Control and Prevention by CDC.org, prevention efforts are more effective when communities create a safe and a stable environment through programs such as community violence prevention programs who can reduce neighborhood crime and increase safety. Education and job training provide future opportunities can reduce risky behaviors. According to Berdiveshki in the article, the roles of recreation, prevention, intervention, and rehabilitation programs addressing youth gang involvement and violence. Recreation-based programs can help reduce violence by providing a safe space. They can help keep kids out of the streets and away from violence. Exposing youth to positive role models and supportive relationships can bring more positive outcomes and in their future. Teaching life skills such as communication, discipline, decision making can help deal with issues more effectively. If Mississippi invests in these prevention programs, we can create a safer community, healthier families, and better opportunities for young people. Imagine a Mississippi where more families have access and children grow up in a stable and caring environment. Parents could feel more confident and supporting in raising their children. Children can learn how to manage emotions instead of reacting through violence. Family could experience less conflict and more connections. Imagine communities where youth have guidance, opportunities, and safe space to grow. Today, I have discussed the problems related to youth violence and how it affects their health, safety, and family and life opportunities. I have offered solutions such parenting programs, mentorship, and community support. This can help you see how much better Mississippi could be if these changes and motivate you to support and invest in preventing programs to protect the youth. If we know that youth violence can be prevented, the real question is why are we not doing more about it?